Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you the next level of personalized print on demand with CAI Customizer. Really cool Shopify app. We'll jump right into it. And this is all about selling any print on demand product on Printful, but allowing your customers to fully personalize the product. And I'm going to show you step by step how this works. And it's going to allow you to make more money because we're going to be selling personalized products that are just simply print-on-demand products, but customers will attach a higher perceived value to them. I mean, think about it. It makes sense. You have a typical product or you have a personalized product. Which one do you think costs more? Which one do you think is worth more? Of course, it's going to be that personalized product. And when it comes to print-on-demand, we love selling personalized product. It's probably the best type of product for us to sell because it's going to cost us the same amount, but we're going to have that higher perceived value, which means we're going to have higher profit margins, right? There's going to be more money, more profit in our pockets. And a really popular strategy for Shopify stores is to integrate the CAI Customizer App, which is going to allow for full customization of any Printful print-on-demand product. I'm going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you this. Really, really cool, really powerful, and also really easy to set up. If you want to do this personalization strategy, you're going to need to use the app that I show you. There's no built-in way to do this with Shopify or with Printful or really with any other print-on-demand app other than the CAI Customizer. And the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. And most importantly, the app must allow the customer full control over customization so they can literally create whatever they want. And I'm going to show you CAI Customizer. Again, you see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend it. Let's go over the shoulder. You're looking at the CAI Customizer for Printful Shopify app. Perfect 5 out of 5 star review. And you see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. Literally, you're going to allow the customers to create any product that they dream of. And you see different examples over here. Creates different type of sneakers. You can create different type of cell phone cases. You can create different type of hoodies. You can create all these different types of products, right? All with customization, full customization, and lots of different features on top of that as well. I'm going to show you as we go over the shoulder. Everything is shown live. You see in the order page, you see in the customization page, you see in the order confirmation, and they're going to see all that stuff in terms of these live mockups. They're literally going to be generated on the fly. Super powerful here, and it gives the customer a lot of confidence because not only do they get to create whatever they want, but they're going to see it live in action. So let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. All you need to do is press the install button. Press the install button over here. It's going to send us back into our Shopify store. This is going to be basically where we just grant permission for the app to install in our store. We don't need any code or anything like that. It kind of just all works behind the scenes and really super easy to use, super easy to get started as well. And now we're onboarded over here. It's going to basically talk about what you need to do. And because we're using Printful and CAI together, you're going to, of course, need to have a Printful account. So if you don't have a Printful account, you can just create one for free at printful.com. And you have a link over here. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and create one over here. Otherwise, very basic installation steps. I'm going to show you them here. Very simple when it comes to connecting. And we just need to have our Printful API. So we'll need to come over into our Printful account. Under settings, we'll go to API. And it's going to send us over here into Printful developers. Don't worry, we're not doing anything technical or anything like that. It's going to come over here, click sign in to Printful. Basically what we need to do is generate an API key. Okay, and this is going to be basically the way that we connect our Printful account into the CAI Customizer. So we'll come over here to private token. We'll click create a token. Okay, we're going to give it a token name. We could say CAI Customizer. We'll give it over here our email address. We could set our expiration date. Okay, there we go. And we'll go to single store over here. We'll give all of the permissions. We'll click create new token. This is going to generate our API key. Okay, I've got my API key over here. Make sure you copy and save this so you have this stored. We're going to now come back over here into our Shopify store. And we'll go into the Printful API section over here. And we're simply going to go ahead and paste in the API key right over here. Press save. And now we're connected. If you need to make a change to it or remove it, you can do that over here. Otherwise, our connection is now made, and you see that we've expanded into some other sections here into the app. You'll want to make sure that you watch all the different installation videos to get all the different products and settings set up the way you want. Basically over here in the product section, This is going to be where we have all of our different products prepared here through Printful. And you're going to see that we have different styles of Printful products in here that we're able to set up. And the idea is that we could set up any different ones that we want with a 3D model, with the ability to customize, and we'll be able to edit and kind of control all these different products. So for example, let's come over here and we'll do the unisex sweatshirt. I'll show you over here in terms of our variants, right? These are going to be the different options, and you'll see the placement portions of our personalization or our customization for this specific product. And we have the unisex sweatshirt over here. We could have different costs in terms of having additional prices for front print, back print, right sleeve, left sleeve, label panel, right? You could upsell these. You want to print on the back, we can make an additional $5. You want to print on the right sleeve, we can make an additional $10, right? Whatever you want over here, you have full control on this product. And we also have the ability now to save this with a 3D model. You see that this one includes a 3D model. That's important because we're going to be able to actually see this live in our store. So you see all the different ones with 3D models. Some have them, some don't. You see over here, released for CAI. This means ready to go for customization. So let's say we have all these different products in our store. I'll show you another one. Another cool one over here is a clear case for our cell phone cases over here. Right, it's just going to have that one print file. So you'll be able to set up your different products over here for the customizer. And this is going to then allow these products to be in our store. So let's go and find the same product over here. So our unisex sweatshirt. So when we come over here, our unisex sweatshirt also in our store. Okay, and to show you this from our homepage over here, it's a little demo store, unisex sweatshirt. So you'll see over here, it's got all the different sizes that are available. You know, this is just typical Printful right now. But you'll notice that we have the customize button. And this is because we set up CAI. We have the customize button here, and let's go ahead and actually customize this product. And when we click customize, you're going to see different print areas. And this matches up exactly with what we see here. We have front print, back print, right sleeve, left sleeve, label, inside is turned off. You'll see that there is no inside over here. So we have the different abilities to really control what we want. If we only want them to have control of the front print, we could do that. If we only want them to have control of, let's say, front print and back print, we could do that as well. So we see, and I've kind of been playing around over here with some sample images. You're going to be able to literally put your design. You're the customer now. You could fully customize this product, whatever you want. Right? Maybe this is going to be a shirt about cats, or maybe this is going to be a shirt about your family or a hobby or something like that. And we'll come over here and we literally have different sections to create. And we could upload an image. Right? We could have our My Images section. We could have stock images. Right? Let's say, how about dogs? We'll come over here and show you some dog images. We'd be able to select through those, right? Dog images, we'd be able to place them on the shirt. Another cool thing that they do is maps, right? You can create a whole brand just on this. Like, for example, you can create a map of New York City, or you can create a map of San Francisco, or what I've seen a lot of people doing is create a map of the location of someone's first date, or their wedding, or the hospital where their child was born, or whatever. Right? So you could have map in here. You could also have text, right? And I'll show you an example of text, literally a couple lines of text that you'll be able to put right in here. So let's go over here and we have My Images. We could upload an image. Maybe we have a photograph, right? A photograph of our cat, or a photograph of our family, or whatever we want. We could also come over here and do stock. I'm going to do a dog one, for example. And let's go ahead and select this funny looking pug over here. And it says, one moment, please. Basically pulling this image and giving us options for our color style. So we could have it just kind of as is, or we can use shadow, we can use cool, we can use nature, we can use black and white if we want to give a little stylistic view over here. I'm going to go with the cool style, and it's going to say AI art transfer. Basically, it's transforming this photo into printable art to work with our, in this case, sweatshirt. And you see this is the printable area over here. It's going to automatically fill this printable area. And it's really cool because we have what says level 1, level 2. Basically, the idea here is that we can start layering things, right? This would be layer 1, layer 2 on our shirt. But what I really love is the AI action over here. And when you press the AI action, we're going to be able to transform this image based on different AI actions, all built into the app. For example, head cutout, background remove, frosty feels, pedal power, gold rush. You see all these different styles, all of them enabled with AI. And for example, we could do background remove over here, and it's going to do the AI work on this actual design. So with this stock image of the dog that we selected, it's going to do the AI background image removal, and we see that right here. See exactly how it goes. You can move it around, right? Let's say you want the, we want the face nice and really right front and center over here. We could do that. We have full control in terms of moving it around. I like how that looks. You put this over here. You could change things over here in terms of centering and moving things around, making it bigger, making it smaller, etc., until you have it exactly as you want. Now, the best part here, right? The customer is customizing this. Say, this is a picture of my pug. Really, really cool. I hope that this turns out good. Well, they don't need to hope, because with the update model, they literally get to see this live in action. And this is such a huge, huge, huge feature of CAI Customizer. This is unlike anything else that you're going to see in terms of personalized products. We're going to have not a basic mockup, but a live 3D model here of our shirt. Right? Incredibly powerful. Right? Incredibly powerful here. We have this literally set up in just a couple clicks. Right? In just a couple clicks, we now have this ability. And because we have different print areas, we can now come over here. Let's go to back print. And how about in this time, we'll do text. And I'll say Jake the Pug. And we can change the font size. And let's see, we could change the height so it goes up a little bit. And then we can make a different font color. How about we make it blue? Okay, and now the second line. Say love dogs. Put this over here. Let's make it a different shade of blue. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, we could set a background color for the text as well. How about we try this nice green? Or how about yellow? Okay, that looks good. Okay, we have some different spacing options as well. We'll come over here, click Update 3D Model. Same thing that's going to happen now. Obviously, the front design is going to stay, but now the back print's going to be added as well. And you could imagine we could do this for right sleeve, left sleeve, the label panel. It all depends on, again, how we have this product set up in our back end. These are the settings for this specific product. And again, we have all the different products listed over here in products. So we added Jake the Pug. Here it is. And again, 3D, right? This is so cool because this helps boost conversion rate. They're saying, okay, I'm creating it over here, but what is it going to look like on the real product? Well, we see it right over here, right? And it's literally the entire product now ready to go. We have our custom product. We can now add to cart, right? We see the size option, right? We see all the different variants. Say I'll go pick large, and maybe I even want to get 2, so I can give one to my friend and add to cart. Just like any other product, this product is now added to cart. But what do you see over here? Our actual mock-up here, the actual customized mock-up, right? Not just a unisex sweatshirt, because they're not buying a unisex sweatshirt. What they're buying is a fully customized product. And in this case, something that is going to totally resonate with them. A picture of their dog, the dog's name, text about them, the colors that they want, the placements that they want, the size that they want, literally everything that they controlled over here. Now they're seeing it in the cart. So you can imagine the process here, right? They're starting from scratch. They're seeing the product as they build it. They're seeing a fully engaging 3D mock-up of it. And then when they go to cart, they're seeing the actual image here as well. CAI does it all. And this is a massive, massive feature right here. You might think it's not a big deal, right? Just this right here, seeing this in the cart, seeing exactly what they're getting. Massive conversion rate increase right here. So when orders come through, you'll see everything over here in the orders section of your backend. And more specifically, if you click into any of the orders, we'll be able to actually see the order details, but more specifically, we'll be able to see images. Right? And if we come over, click open order, we'll be able to see the actual print images that are going to be used. Okay, this is important, obviously, for Printful's sake, and this is just it looks like a cow all over print shirt. And we come over here, we can take a look. Here's a dress, and we see the images here, and this is the actual print file that was used for, I guess, this brick dress. So let's take a look at the mock-up. Okay, there you go. So that's what they're buying. So all done into Printful, of course. We have our user uploads section right over here so we can get all the different images. These are the ones that I was playing around with earlier just before. You'll see any API errors here. If you have any type of issues, you'll be able to see that in the log. Really, really easy. Kind of what we're doing just really in general. Having products to customize and then letting customers do the rest of the work, right? Everything over here under orders and user uploads, right? That happens automatically. If I were to order this product, this little pug t-shirt, right, it would go into my order section. The images would be sent over, right, to Printful. Everything would happen automatically, but we'd have this customization option for the customer on the front end. Back end, everything else happens the same way. Printful takes the order, produces it, sends it to your customer. And of course, we get to sell this for a lot higher price because we're not just selling a dog sweatshirt. We're selling a 100% customized dog sweatshirt. And you have full control over the print areas, front, back. Maybe you only want to allow them to do front. Maybe you only want them to do front and back, right? Full control over that. So that was the CAI Customizer for Printful Shopify app. As you saw, super powerful, really cool. Going to add in these high profit margin products into your store. All you need to do, click the link directly below this video, install this in your Shopify store, set up some of these products, and enjoy those higher margins. I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.